was shocked. I was like, what? And they were laughing and chopping it up. They thought it was the funniest thing and the greatest thing. And I was wrecked. I was crushed. I grabbed my pillow. I prostrated myself before the Lord, and I refused to eat. I think for about 5 months. I would go all week with nothing. 6 days was the longest I made it. 6 days with nothing, 3 days with nothing, and 4 days with nothing. Then I might eat for a day or maybe 1 or 2 meals. And I was at a minimum fasting 2 meals a day, but normally a lot more. Because my goal was to do it for 7 days straight, because I knew that Scripture said that a fast of 7 days honored the King of Israel. It says that at the end of one of the Old Testament books. I can't remember which one. I think it's Chronicles. And I wanted to honor the Lord. I figured if Daniel could fast and cry out for his nation, and God would come and heal it, because I love America. I love this nation. And I'm not saying these things for you to think, oh, there's Mr. Holy, because to be honest with you, having the Lord's approval, I'm not particularly concerned with human approval. In fact, I expect to be rejected by humans, because that's just what's going to happen. I mean, that's normally what happens. Unless you lie to them and tell them what they want to hear, then they'll accept you. But I can't do that. But as I fasted and cried out to God, face down on the ground for this country, because I figured Daniel was a man just like I am, but something had to be done.